All right, let's do a video. All the work's done, all the outlets, and I fixed all the junction boxes and redid all of those. As you can see, those are hot. And then of course you do got this one back here that was already there. It's also hot. So that's cool. Two in there. Okay, moving along. You see the wiring. So this is the wiring here, how we did it up. Like so. Okay, and that comes over here. As you see, all that's tight, all of the outlets are tied in this junction box. And then you got the outlet here. It works. And hot, perfect. Remember this light here? I said, hey, you're gonna push that back, you just gotta push it up. Well, there's a little more involved in that, and I rewired everything. So that's all fixed now and solid. Then you remember this one? This crazy one up here. All that's fixed and properly wired back up. Okay. And moving into this room, we have the outlet here that I installed. And it works. And then there was already this one here. It's hot. Okay, and then we're going into here where we had a couple things. So you remember this crazy one. And as you can see, I've lined them all up real nice. Put the knob and tube in the box where it goes. And so that's really nice now. And same over here where there were wires hanging out here. Put that in a box as well. And then finally this, if you remember, we had all this junk here that was all over here. So what I did is capped off the wire here. That's pushed back in. And then of course this is hot. This is the brand new outlet for back here. And then of course I had to cut this to get to everything, pull the whole one out. So we just basically need to drywall this back, restore the drywall there. I mean, he probably will end up doing that. If not, I can always do drywall too. But I just didn't have the supplies for it right now. So that's it. Everything else is good. All your power is restored. You got light everywhere. Yep, lights everywhere. You got lights in all the rooms, lights in the hallways, light there, your lights in the bathroom. Okay, lights here. So you got light everywhere in here now. And let's see. Let's see. There it goes. It just wasn't in there right. All right, and you got light in here too. All right, so all the rooms have light and 2 outlets each. And you're looking pretty good electrically down here. All right, everything's fixed as far as what we needed to do. All right.